I guess.
What's going on over here?
I guess they just can't tell people. Oh, fuck!
Fuck that shit. Fuck. Fuck.
What are you doing?
Oh God, my.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm a big man as well.
Yeah,
Stop all that bullshit.
Hey,
Stop all that.
listen to me.
Stop all that.
You want it, right? You fucking want it! You why I'm telling you! You know me why I'm telling you! You the fuck! You know me why I'm bro! Get out your house! Come on! Come on! Who are you? Come on! Who are you? Tell them fucking spit! Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Oh, fuck off and come. No, you're not! You're fucking...
Now he's standing to my car! Now he's standing to my car as well!
Fucking do that, you bitch!
No, he's done! He's done now, because he will get done for that! I'm sorry. Again.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Yeah.
you. Fuck you, bitch. Bitch. You fucker. Bitch ass motherfucker.
damn it!
Oh, that's without me.
Ow!
What did you do?
Son of a bitch!
Oh, no. You're right.
Oh, fucking hell.
Hello? Hello?
Huh?
Hello?
Hello?
Can I help you? Can I help
Ma'am,
you?
are you there?
Can I help you?
Hello? Are you over here at the garage? Hello? Ma'am?
Can I help you? Sir, can I help you? Hello?
I can't see you.
I understand that. What can I help you with? You're talking to my security system. How can I help you?
Oh, the security system. Oh, how you doing today, ma'am?
I'm good. How can I help you?
I'm a rocket man. Hello. Hi, how are you? Hi, guys. Tammy or Chad or Kyle?
There, actually right next door.
Are you?
You're in the wrong house. Okay. We're like family.
Oh my God! I can't believe I went to the wrong house.
No worries. Thank you.
Wow.
So Kyle.
Hello, we have brought wine with us.
Is this my house?
Yeah. What?
There's a man looks through the window.
Who's that?
Yeah, there is. A man looks through the window.
Oh my gosh, yes, it's the wrong house.
Okay, right.
Wrong house.
Not opening.
Fucking
Are we
no.
at the right house?
No, we
I
are.
think so. No, we are. No, trust me, this is Red House.
Go then. Fucking go. Sign me then.
You need to fucking here.
Yeah, go. There you go. I'll give you support.
Sorry.
Huh? What you want me to say?
Wrong house.
Love you.
Yeah, I think you're in the wrong house, mate.
We're not at the right. Love you.
You're not in the wrong house. Sorry, love. Sorry for the wrong. Oh, you dirty shit.
Let me in! Come on, let me in! It's been 2 minutes! Let me in, please!
Sit for a picnic.
Where your bank card?
You had it. Open the door.
Nah, bruh.
Come on.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You locked out.
Like I'm my ass.
What?
Like I'm my ass.
You ain't getting in.
I said that funny.
It is funny.
I said that funny.
You locked out.
You want to play with people emotions. You ain't about to be doing none of that freaky shit to that man in that house no more. You in there doing that freaky shit to that to your husband and this ain't even gasoline. This tap water. I ain't about to burn nobody up. Ooh, I love you. Just call me.
My cousin Billy had a 10-foot willy and showed it to the girl next door. Ooh. She thought it was a snake, so she hit it with a rake, and it was only 4 foot 4.